So in this video series, I'm making a chorded typing tool. Chorded typing means that you can type a chord, meaning you can type or you can press multiple letters at the same time instead of pressing them in sequence. And you can do things like perhaps type an entire word by typing a single chord, so a single keystroke, essentially. So especially for longer words, as long as you've memorized the chord, that should be much faster, which should allow for faster typing. And the way this tool works right now is that you can combine normal typing with chorded typing. So you can perhaps just learn some of the words that are a bit difficult to type, but you have to type them often. And you can just speed up your type, or you can just speed up by typing those words faster while also not really having to learn all the other words that you rarely type anyway, which should be more practical for use by an average person in comparison to like steno typing, which requires a lot of training to even get to the same speed as, let's say, a normal typing speed is, let alone to get faster. And more or less I have the tool working. So in this video, I just want to kind of prepare it for its initial release. So something like, well, finding a good name for the project, because chorded typing is not very good. So I was thinking that I would rename it to Pyanist. Wait, that's how you spell pianist, but this is Python, so it's Pyanist. So I guess that would be just wordplay, because it's a chorded typing system. And then the next step would be to clean up the README so that it's actually useful. It has to explain the project. But I guess I'll start with the description. Pyanist allows chorded typing, allows using chorded typing in addition to normal typing in order to improve their typing speed. Typing skills, fast, no, keyboard, I don't know, Python. I don't know, that's about it, I think. And then I'm noticing that this pipeline is failing, and I'm not sure why. No module named phonemizer. Well, I know why that is. Oh, by the way, I should be on the main branch. Okay. Let's see what happens if I create a pull request. Will it fix the pipeline? Or will there be more problems? Probably more problems. So I haven't been paying too much attention to that. Okay, now the problem is that eSpeak is not installed on my system. So I have to probably change workflows. I suppose that I can do that, and this is Ubuntu, so I don't know. Ubuntu install eSpeak G. Okay, CI install. Oh, but where does that? How does? Okay, it has to be like a single string, like that. Okay, install. Well, okay. Install eSpeak ng. Yes. How's it going? Okay, it's installing the dependencies. Okay, so that's like, I don't know. Let's Google like actions Ubuntu. So I have to use su. Well, I have to use sudo for this. I mean, I guess in the meantime, I can try do some changes here. So project is called Pyanist. We know to do. There should be attributions. Okay, Pyanist is a tool that allows chorded typing using a regular keyboard. Well, regular N key rollover keyboard. Well, it allows you to use chorded typing in addition to normal typing. Okay, it allows you to do chorded typing in addition to normal typing, which means that it does not have a steep, well, which means that you can get started by recording a few frequent words instead. So, to learn whole system from scratch. And it's still failing. Why is it? Why is it that it's failing? I did push sudo, no? Oh, I didn't. I actually didn't. I think that it would be useful to have some kind of demonstration in form of a GIF, maybe. And also installation instructions. So, I mean, first of all, this should be published in some kind of package repository as well. So there's that, and then how to run it. I mean, I should create like a daemon mode or something. Maybe also like a tray icon. But right now it's just a command line tool that you have to run in your command line manually, which I think is fine because this is only going to be tested by people who are kind of willing to experiment anyway. So it's probably more of a priority to make the coding system good than to make it like that much user-friendly. Like once it actually works really well, then it will be a big priority to make it user-friendly for users who are not comfortable with the CLI interface. But yeah. Let's say it's still failing. Failing after 1 minute. Okay, now it's... Is it failing locally? Poetry run PyTest. Was it so slow? But it is failing locally. Test chords have similar keys to the letter of the word. A, D, K, A, D, N. Well, I mean, it's just what it is. So A, D, K. Or even something like test chord of word. It's actually should be at least 2. So that they should have at least 2 characters in common. It doesn't matter which ones. Yes, nice. And just to test that it actually works, if I put BMD here, it should only have 1 character in common, so it should fail. It's super slow though. Yes, it does fail. Okay. And do we have what black? Dot. Okay, so this would be auto files. And then in the pipeline, we are not enforcing that, right? Okay, Python black. Well, Python black. I want to know how to run it in the CI. Okay, getting started. Next step, usage configuration, integrations, GitHub Actions integration. Oh, but I can just... Well, okay. I can put that here. The name is black. Automatically force code style. Mm. Mm. No. So it's still installing dependencies. I should figure out how to cache them. So poetry is already cached. I need to cache eSpeak somehow. The tests have passed. Nice. Nice. So I have a passing pipeline. And I'm just gonna make like an initial release of this project in Python package index or whatever it's called, Pypi, whatever it's called. Poetry publish. Oh yes, I have to basically poetry publish. Yes, and no file / folder found for package chorded typing. Actually, it should not be called chorded typing anyway. I project.toml Pyanist. Well, yes. Description should be this. Well, whatever. Publish. Okay, so no folder name. Folder sort of for package Pyanist. And why is that? Poetry no file folder found. Okay. No. Poetry can't find source files. The package actually needs to have the same name as the project. Is there a way to... Okay, so basically I need to create folder Pyanist, and I guess I have to put everything. Almost everything. Wait, I just selected them and I didn't move them. Okay, so now I think it's fine. Actually, I can delete this. And now I should create a new brand. Let's switch -C. Okay. Package release. Okay. I have not commented my changes and haven't staged them either. Okay, prepare release. Now switch to main full. Switch back. Rebase. Force push. And now I'm gonna try the build. Nice. I mean, probably if I install this, it's still not going to work. But at least now there's a package for it. Should be able to see it, yes. And there's still no README, so that's another thing to fix. Okay. So it's like poetry pipe. README. Where's the documentation? Okay, readme equals readme.md. They don't have that. Readme equals readme.md. No, oh. Okay, add readme to package. And actually for that I need to create a new version. Amend the comment and build and release. So I believe now. Okay, this won't work because it's definitely not indexed yet. Okay, now there is a README. It's still an incomplete one, but at least now I can merge this. And I can start trying if it actually works. So it does have to have an entry point. It has to have like a binary file. Version constraints. Okay, put read a log. Commands, okay. Yeah, that's another thing that's kind of missing. We should have like proper command line options. Continue. Ah, these are commands, okay. These are commands inside. Okay, yeah, that's not what I want. Configuration. Okay, whatever. Like, it must be something like binary or scripts. Scripts are executables that will be installed when installing the package. Gotcha. Okay, so it should be something like what is this? Oh, well, whatever now, because this has been... Oh, it hasn't been merged yet, okay. But also it's failing for some reason. Come on now. And yeah, I suppose now I can add the script. And it should be something like Pyanist. Well, it should be the name of the package. So if I run put rerun. Okay, gotcha. So Pyanist. Got CLI main. So now I don't have CLI. I can rename. I can rename this to CLI.py. Or is there no module named keyboard? Okay, now because I changed everything, but not really. I should have had those dependencies already. Or maybe Pypi is doing a lot of magic there with dependencies. I don't know. Okay, so that will be another problem. I mean, in any case, I'll update the README. Because after you installed Pianist, Pianist, and then this should be yet another version. Oh no. Via Pypi. Okay. I hope that, I mean, because I've been doing this in a weird way, because I should have waited for this CI to pass and then merge it to main and then do the publish, and then publish a new version of the package after that. So I could have made a mistake here. Okay, I don't know why it says that eSpeak is not installed. So this is still failing because eSpeak is not installed in your system, even though, okay, installing the current project Pyanist. No dependencies to install or update. So wait, is it? Okay, so this must be because in workflow CI, yeah. So there is this cache hit thingy. Okay, what should it be? Okay, like GitHub Actions cache Ubuntu packages. The purpose of this answer is to show how caching can be done with GitHub Actions, not necessarily how to cache Valgrind Actions cache. So it should be like a new step. Name should be install eSpeak. And do we already have this cache? Oh yeah, we have cache version 3. So we need to look for the documentation of this thing. Cache dependencies and build outputs in GitHub Actions. Okay, so here they are. You know what, I'm not gonna cache this first, I'm just gonna install it. And then later I'll figure out how to cache it, because I mean, it's not the most important thing right now. What was the last commit? Allow instrument Pyanist. Okay. Okay, CI fix. And while it's running, I'm thinking that I can kind of more or less, maybe still ideas from my other repositories to how to structure the how to structure the README file. So LibreLingo has this. Well, we don't have a logo for Pyanist right now. Actually, okay, logo generator online. Can we generate a logo? Free logo design, Luca. I think I like Luca. Pyanist. I don't know. Okay, computer. Some logos that I like. Karoma. Well, I like this one. I kind of like that one. No. That's too corporate. Maybe this one. Maybe. Color. I don't know why, but I was thinking green. Or orange. No slogan. Well, maybe like... certain thing for like keyboard. Kind of like that one. I don't know. Snake. snake keyboard. Whatever, maybe, I don't know. No, these are horrible. No. I don't like these. Maybe. Oh, there is. What is it called? Well, there's this AI image generator. What is it called? There's so many of them. Oh, DALL-E Mini plugin. Or DALL-E 2. I don't know. I have one of these. I forgot which one it is. Do I have any? Oh, I have credits. Okay, so let's say pixel art logo of a snake keyboard, of a fast snake keyboard. Okay, pixel art logo, well, detailed. Okay, well, detailed pixel art logo with a keyboard and a snake. A logo with a keyboard and a snake. Maybe this is usable. Well, not so much variations. Almost. Okay, I don't know. Minimalist logo with a snake over a keyboard. Okay, that one's kind of creative, actually. Like the space bar is the snake. I'll download that one and save it to favorites. I still have 10 more tokens or credits or whatever. What is it? A line drawing? How does a line drawing look? Okay. Okay, that's slowish. No. Okay, line drawing of a keyboard with a snake. Like maybe it won't be a logo, it will just be an illustration there or something. I don't know, these are kind of cool. More variations of that one, maybe. Okay, I don't know. Detailed, artistic line drawing of a snake, well, of a keyboard with a snake. You can kind of tell though that these are AI generated, which is maybe okay. I like this one, but it's not really cropped correctly, I guess. And that's not how what a keyboard looks like, I guess. Those keys are weird. I don't know. Artistic drawing of a keyboard with a snake. I kind of like that one, but it's that's a weird snake. Let's see the variations. Maybe. Let's try pixel art of a keyboard with a snake. Synthwave could be interesting. These are kind of broken. Variations. Okay, I like this one, but it's weird. Whatever, I'll download it. Wow. Oh, okay, yes. Still have some tokens. Two credits. Okay. Synth wave. Okay. Detailed synth wave pixel art of a snake with a flaming, well, of a flaming keyboard with a snake. That's maybe too extra. Okay, these are actually cool. Hey, maybe I like that one the most. You've used all your credits. So I can't get more variations. Yeah, I'm out of credits. Well, I don't even know. Maybe this one is not true pixel art. Maybe if I download it, and then there's like okay, open source, convert image to pixel art. It's not pixelator. It's it's not even this one. Or AMG to pix. Maybe it is this one. I don't know, I'm not sure. Well, anyways, in the meantime, I think that... Oh, it's still not passing? Now, why is it failing? PyTest file not found error. Oh, okay. Okay, now it probably fails in local too. Okay, at least. Okay, it's like, okay, JavaScript convert picture to pixel art. Is it this? Yes, it's this one. Okay, so I don't know, this one looks kind of interesting. I kind of want that green for the snake. Well, this one, I don't know, this one looks cool though. Maybe this one. Is there like yeah, I wonder if I have like a pixel art like, I mean, like a small resolution pixel font or something. So I want to delete this part and maybe that. But no, that's okay. Maybe just like this. Ooh. No. Well, that will be weird. So I'll do it like this. But now I have to pixelate it again. Okay, by the same logic, I could have kept that and just deleted the weird parts. And then now there should be the start. Is there like a way to search the effects? Artistic order pixels, what does that mean? That's interesting. Artistic photocopy. Ooh. Artistic. Combine, generic, edge detect, noise, light and shadow, distorts. How do I pixelate? Blur. Oh, pixelize, okay. But now it has too many colors. Okay, I'll do it in a different way. I'll take this one here. I will delete the parts that I don't like. I'll overwrite that one. And I think I have to reload. Oh no, what? I think I have to reload the page. Okay. And choose but no. Oh, and I want to delete that one too. This was pixel art 71. Oh, okay. I overwrote the wrong. Well, that's okay. No. Just wanted to do that. Nice. don't know, it was this one. I think it was this one. Download image. And now I can add the name. But it would be nice to do it with like some kind of... Oh wait, can I just pixelate the text? Will it be weird? Maybe it's okay. But I don't want... Okay, the color is not okay for sure. Maybe it should be that color. Oh, it's not that color. I want that. I want that color. It doesn't do anything. Okay. So now if I put pixelize, I don't know what that does. Probably, yeah, not much. But I just want to make the whole thing one color. We'll okay, distort, not mosaic, light blur, generic, artistic, cartoon. Doesn't do much. Artistic. There's something like posterized, no? High pass, maybe it could. Well, that's weird. is there, okay, GIMP posterize, GIMP or GIMP or but I want, yeah, I want this tools, color tools, posterize, colors, posterize. Okay, so colors, posterize. Yes, it should be like this. I am not sure why it did this weird thing with the color, but now I can perhaps colorize it like is there like colorize? Colors. Oh, there is this thing, colorize. Color. I want that color. Mode replace. So what's... Yeah, but I want... So, okay, let's say what happens if I make the brightness and I don't know, exposure. Like, is it now completely white? Yes. Okay, so now if I put colorize, okay, I don't know, it might just be easier if I pick this color and just keep flood filling it. How do I flood fill? Yes. It should be... logo.xcf and then export as logo.png. And then, but can I also posterize the background? Ooh, I like that, but it's, the snake is no longer obviously, oh, that's colorized. Okay, that's why it's like that. I want to posterize it, but I kind of liked it. Okay, that's good. I think it's still looking maybe a little bit too smooth. No, I think it's fine. Export logo, save. And I can go to README and maybe first just add rc equals logo.png to see how it looks. So I need to add these files. Books and logo to README. And then to perpetually run PyTest. Yeah, then to have the test pass in test match. It should be so it should be like Pyanist. And what's the error now? Message file dot slash. Okay, phonetic spelling. Okay, so phonetic spelling test. Well, actually, we can delete that file. Okay. Fix tests. Okay, README. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so that image is huge. And I think it should be centered like this. But now first wait for the pipeline to pass because just want to merge this merge request. And yeah, maybe it will be soon important to figure out how to, well, yeah, I have to make a next merge request to figure out how to cache, what is it, eSpeak, because it seems to be a little bit slow. Well, anyways, I'll create issue. yeah, there is a see installed speak is necessary to run the tests could be mocked, but perhaps it's more useful to, well, okay, no, right now this is always installed when you install in CI it's pushed, and that's a bit slow. Use action slash cache to cache this dependent. Let's see, so that it doesn't need to be installed each time. And that should be a good first issue because it doesn't need knowledge of the code base at all. Okay. Damn it, it's still failing, but why? Shit. Okay, poetry run black. Pyanist. Okay. So now I'll merge this pull request. I mean, whatever. I'll rebase and merge, and I'll just start figuring out what to do with this one. And I have to stop merging things without waiting for it to pass, but I'm too impatient. So this should be H1. And then perhaps is it weird to have H1 inside H1? Yeah, also no, I don't want to do that. No, it should be just a, well, I don't know. I mean, if it's the alt text, then it will only be in the logo because I'll remove that one. But maybe that's fine because it's quite big. And it's P align center. Can I put H1 align center? And I have to put width 300. Yes, but maybe it will be better to put a small version of the image after that to avoid it becoming blurry. But yeah, that's okay. Okay, also, well, non-code add, well, create updated version of the logo. The current logo might be based on a good idea, but it was, well, or maybe not, but it was generated using an AI. It shows it nice to place it with a manually made logo, perhaps in a similar style. And that's also a good first issue. I mean, the only thing you have to see for that is, okay, let's art. Non-code. The only thing you have to see from the project to do that is the logo. Even if you're not interested in a project, you just want to practice drawing, you can do this task probably. Okay, so now they are passing. And now if I start like basically like sudo pip install Pyanist. Okay, so we still have an issue with the path. And which Pyanist? Okay, so basically, okay, Python include file, well, include file with my package and load it. Python open file from folder. Use project folder as installation source. Open file. Okay, I don't know. No. Poetry include data files. That's a good idea. The documentation of for how files are included in build artifacts. How to package data with Poetry. Package resources. You could still use setup tools, package resources. Okay, get data. Get a function returns a binary string that is the contents of the specified resource. Or resolve name to an object. resource get data roughly equivalent to okay, so basically I can take this and here I can okay, so from package util no, I'll import package util. And this should just be package util dot get data. And this is basically Pyanist and os dot os dot path dot join dictionaries English us dot json. And if I do like sudo pottery, or even just pottery run Python, well, pottery run Pyanist, really? Non-type has outload string. Must it be okay, I don't know. Oh, okay. What were they saying here? Wait, this is the wrapper of the loader, get data API. The package argument should be the name of the package in standard module format. The argument. Well, okay, Python get okay, let's see an example of that. And then do I have to put like Pyanist dot dictionaries? Python get current package name. Wait. Okay, pyanist.cli. Sure. Okay, so here I can just put name. So sudo poetry run python py/cli.py. No module named keyboard poetry install. Well, sudo poetry install. Okay, that's not gonna work. How was I running it before? No module named keyboard. Maybe I just have to, okay, I have to install it globally. Sudo pip install keyboard. But that's already there. I don't understand. I don't understand why. Actually, I didn't change anything related to this. But anyways, I think, okay. First of all, I have to create a new branch. Fix release package. Like, I think that I still fixed the release, I think. And then okay, so now if I again do this, wait, install or update, no, update. Upgrade. Oh, well, okay. It should be install up. This is Pypi, not poetry. From Pyanist. There's no such version. There it is. Ah, okay, now there is such a version. And yeah, it says I must be root. And yes, it actually does work. Like if I start gedit, somehow I broke it. There is a bug. No, wait, I didn't break it. I didn't break it. Okay, so now it can be actually installed. And I pushed this already. Cannot automatically merge. It will be because I need to rebase it. That's weird though, because there were no conflicts when rebasing. So now I can perhaps just say, I mean, after this has passed, but no, the package already works, so I can just put add installation instructions, installing Pyanist to install Pyanist, simply run to install Pyanist. You need to have pip or another Python package manager installed on your computer. If you have pip installed, simply run pip install Pyanist. After that, you should be ready to run Pyanist. Note: Pyanist has tested on Linux, albeit it should run on OS X and Windows. And I guess this should not be H1 or yes, that one passed. So now I can just Also save this. And I think that with this, Pyanist is ready to be tested by at least some people, not not generic users.